Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you survived the holidays well. I definitely did. I had a great time. And today I'm back to share with you a quick and easy and healthy recipe to make your own winter pizza. Now, I used a homemade pizza dough. The video for that is on my channel. I always have some of that frozen, and so I just have to defrost it and roll it out. And this is much easier if you have someone to hold the baking sheet for you. But yeah, just roll the dough out. Then you want to set that to the side and cut down some onion. You want to take a pan and heat up some butter and put the onion into that and just let that sizzle for a while. And while that happens, you want to cut down your mushrooms into thin slices. Then you want to throw them in with the butter and onion, and you want to sprinkle a little bit of salt and give that a good mix. I always like to get a lot of the moisture out of my mushrooms so they don't get very soggy on the pizza. And then while that is happening, you can go ahead and grate some cheese. And then in a small pan without any oil or stuff like that, you want to heat up the pine nuts. So here you can see that the mushrooms are getting nice and crispy and they're losing the moisture. And when they're almost done, you want to throw in the fresh spinach. You can also defrost some spinach, but then make sure that you remove a lot of the moisture again, because otherwise the pizza will get soggy. I decided to add a little bit of garlic to the mix as well, and then just wait for the spinach to kind of cook and just lose the volume basically. That will happen quite quickly, it doesn't need a lot of time. Now here you can see the pizza dough, and I used a pre-made sauce that already had a little bit of veggies in it, but you can use whatever pizza sauce you like. You can also make one yourself just with some tomato sauce and just some spices or whatever you like. And you want to spread that evenly all over the dough. Next up, you want to put on the vegetables, and you want to take care while doing that so you don't have like huge clumps of spinach in some places and then none in others. Just distribute it well. Then you want to add the pine nuts, and this will really give such a great flavor to the pizza. And lastly, you can sprinkle the cheese, and then you want to bake that with 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. It depends on the size of your pizza, so just check whether the crust is the way you like it. And yeah, this is just a very easy, very delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're still in the mood to eat something after the holidays, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!